Question 5a. State what can be learned about Jeremiah from his call. Jeremiah was a young man. He was afraid of public speaking. He came from a priestly family at Anathoth. He had been chosen to be a prophet even before his birth. Jeremiah would face opposition. Jeremiah would be protected by God. God touched his mouth to give him words, and he had dialogue with God. Question 5b. Give 6 reasons why it was important to rebuild the broken walls of Jerusalem. To symbolize spiritual restoration after exile. To signify a new relationship with God. To fulfill the prophecies of preserving the remnant. To enhance the Israelites' self-esteem. To enhance physical security. To remind Israelites about being the chosen nation. Question 5c. List 8 leadership qualities that a modern leader can learn from Nehemiah. Trust in God, prayerful, to be courageous, hardworking, effective planner, team builder, patriotic, mindfulness, reformist, wisdom, faithfulness, compassionate, initiative.